Ready to turn your Phantom Wallet crypto into spendable cash in your PayPal account? Let's do it. First, open your Phantom Wallet. See your SOL balance. We need to convert that to a more easily transferable cryptocurrency, like USDT, which stands for Tether. Tap the swap icon, usually represented by two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Select SOL as the currency you are paying with and USDT as the currency you want to receive. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap. Double-check the exchange rate and fees. Once you're happy, tap swap and confirm the transaction. Great. Now you have USDT. Next, you'll need an exchange that supports transferring crypto to PayPal. I recommend using an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one and complete the verification process. In your chosen exchange, navigate to the Deposit or Receive Cryptocurrency section. Select USDT and the Solana network. Copy the deposit address provided by the exchange. Back in your Phantom Wallet, tap the Send icon. Paste the deposit address you copied from the exchange into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. It will take a few minutes for the transfer to complete. Once the USDT arrives in your exchange account, sell it for your local currency. Finally, withdraw your funds to PayPal. Select PayPal as your withdrawal method. Enter your PayPal email address and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal. And that's it. Enjoy your funds.